or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are reviewing this unit that was sent to me from Nikiss Hair. Keep on watching. So this is the 10-inch Brazilian natural curly human hair wig. Again, it is 10 inches, it's 150% density, cap size is 22.5, and the lace size is 13 by 4. The unit does come with 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, as well as an adjustable strap. Again, this is a 13 by 4 lace unit. It is free parting, so you can do a middle part or a side part, and the lace looks amazing. So we're going to go in and cut the lace and start styling. Keep on watching. So to lay the lace, I am going in with the ORS Wig Grip Gel, and I'm just going to spread that on the perimeter of my hairline, and then I will tie it down while I'm styling. So I decided to go with a side part. So I'm going to go ahead and part my hair, and then I'm going to use some of the ORS beeswax just to set the part in place. Now for styling, I am drenching the unit in water and then going in with the spiked honey mousse from Camille Rose. I am adding the mousse in sections and just raking it through with my fingers, and then I'm just going to let it air dry. The curls look absolutely amazing, and there was minimal shedding. here are the final results. Absolutely loving this unit. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Make sure you check out the description box. I will leave all of the information where you can purchase this unit in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.